of you before you went dark.
What can you tell us, Doc?
The blade is definitely of infernal making. It's emitting an energy that messed up the scan you sent, so I'd need to analyze it in person. Till then, yeah, assume it's dangerous. I'll let you know if I find out anything more.
Commander, Moloch's forces have just arrived back in Needles. I suspect it won't be long before their search for the blade leads to this location.
By dawn, that island installation could be swarming with infernals. If we leave now, there'll be no coming back.
Barclay's right. We do this fast and quiet. Trip, bring us in. We'll use darkness as cover to gain a foothold. Ready up. Let's get those prisoners back.
Radio silence from here out. Terrorize. Cloak and dagger. Terrorize. Cloak and dagger. Terrorize. What's the op? Terrorize. What's the op? 2 steps ahead. Cloak and dagger. 2 steps ahead. Cloak and dagger. 2 steps ahead. I follow. I follow. Cloak and dagger. 2 steps ahead. Cloak and dagger. Terrorize. Cloak and dagger. Ah!
Me.
Insufficient supply.
Good work, team. Trip, forward base is underway. I'm gonna need a little more intel.
What?
Scanning. Another outpost east of your position has a rich thorium deposit, Commander. Securing this resource will enable you to support more specialized forces.
Yup.
By my estimations, you will not have long before Havoc systems become aware of our position.
Got it. Let's move. Heading there now. Making a beeline. Finding a path.
Construction complete. Construction
Quick time.
complete.
Where's the action? Why wait? Where's the action? Here I come.
Boot up complete.
Got a plan?
How can I help? You want me to do what now?
Make it quick.
Construction complete.
Where? Oh, got it. Heading there now. Making a beeline. Give me the lowdown. Finding a path. Make it quick.
Ready to work.
Make it quick. Let's get to it. Let's get to it.
Ready. On the go. Constructing. Still here. In the rear, with the beer. Hi-ho, hi-ho.
Where's the action?
Pretenders here.
Quick time. Why wait? Here I come. Where? Oh, got it. Heading there now.
Construction complete.
Making a beeline.
Construction.
Make it quick.
Insufficient
Finding a
supply.
At your disposal. Constructing. Placing structure.
Quick time. Why wait? Here I come. Where? Oh, got it.
Scans are also showing a couple of cell blocks. It's a good bet there are prisoners inside.
If they want to join the fight, we'll take all the help we can get.
Construction complete.
What's the option?
Construction complete.
Game over. Finding a path.
Upgrade
Quick time.
complete.
Why wait? Let's get to it.
I hacked into enemy comms chatter.
Missing resources and unidentified heat signatures to the west. Was anyone
Hostile
gonna
forces
tell me
detected.
we have intruders, or do I have to do everything myself?
Enemy forces headed for your position, Commander.
They know we're here. Stay alert. Let's get to it. Heading there now.
Enemy! Geared up. Enemy!
Got a plan? Give me the lowdown.
Waiting on you.
Time to raise hell. Give me the lowdown. Give me the lowdown. Let's get to it. Give me the lowdown.
How can I help? Setting cruise control.
Give me the lowdown. Where's the action?
Not enough luminite.
Beeline. Finding a path. Where's the action? Give me the lowdown.
Axel reporting.
Got a plan? Quick time. Oh, I've been ready. Time to pay.
Hostile forces detected.
Why wait? Give me the lowdown. Give me the lowdown.
Construction complete.
Make it quick.
Our forces are under attack.
Make it quick. Got a plan? Here I come. Where? Oh, got it. Heading there now.
All systems clear. Ready.
Taking them down.
Ah, you scared me.
Taking them down.
Awaiting further instructions.
Give me the lowdown. Where's the action? Got a plan? Making a beeline. Make it quick. Finding a path. Quick time.
Hostile forces detected.
Are you with the Resistance?
Wait, yeah, Warhawks.
Good. I'm ready to pay the Infernals back. With interest.
Give me the lowdown. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Let's get to it.
Not enough
Quick time.
luminite.
Give me the lowdown. Why wait? Make it quick.
Not enough
Give me the
luminite.
lowdown. Give me the lowdown. Give me the lowdown.
Not enough luminite.
Give me the lowdown.
Groundhounders here.
Let's get to it. Here I come. Give me the lowdown. Got a plan?
Allies are under attack.
Got a plan?
Our forces are under attack.
No place for hide.
Still here.
Allied.
Plotting course.
Not enough luminite.
Where's the action? Where? Oh, got it.
Hi-ho.
Our forces are under attack.
Order received.
Allies are under attack.
Scans show a substantial ground force. Heat signatures indicate biological training facilities.
Allies are under attack.
Just take too much damage! We're falling back!
Not enough luminite.
Exo reporting.
Make it quick. Give me the lowdown.
Construction complete. Our forces are under attack.
Make it quick.
Not enough luminite.
Finding a path. Quick time. Give me the lowdown.
This Havocom line is really heating up.
Anybody want to tell me how a little no-name bag of ragamuffin resistance fighters is mowing through our defenses? Go ahead, I'll wait. Get your act together or kiss your asses goodbye.
A lot of movement on the long-range scans at the other support bases.
Probably increasing their defenses.
Initial scans showing very few ground forces, Commander. However, I am picking up signatures on hangar bays, so look to the skies.
Give me the lowdown.
Not enough luminite.
Finding a path.
Ready to work.
Let's end this. Quick time. Why wait? Here I come. Where's the action?
Ready.
Give me the lowdown. Where? Oh, got it. Heading there now. Let's get to it.
I'm here to assist.
Where's the action?
Not enough luminite.
Oh, I've been ready. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Give me the lowdown.
Awaiting further instructions. Ready to work.
Where's the action?
Not enough
Oh,
luminite.
I've been ready. Quick time. Why wait?
Insufficient energy.
Reporting for work.
Let's get to it.
Our forces are under attack. Not enough luminite.
Reporting.
Got a plan?
Not enough
You
luminite.
lose. Let's get to it.
Resistance fighters! Need more guns on your side?
Hi-ho. Hi-ho.
Allies are under
Give me the
attack.
lowdown. Heading there now. Got a plan?
Robot engaged.
Graveyard spin!
Just take too much damage! We're falling back!
Allies are under attack.
Scans are showing mech training and upgrade structures, Commander.
Relocation commencing.
Not enough luminite.
Make it quick. Give me the lowdown.
Not enough
Making a
luminite.
beeline. Make it quick. Time to raise hell.
Insufficient supplies.
Finding a path. Quick time. Why wait?
Geared up.
Where's the action?
How can I help? Constructing. Constructing. Ready.
Our forces are under attack.
Make it quick.
Not enough luminite.
Where? Oh, got it.
Construction
there.
complete.
No place to hide.
Allies are under attack.
Give me the lowdown.
Our forces are under attack.
Making the beeline.
Construction complete.
Where's the action? Where's the action? Got a plan?
Construction
I've had it.
Worker
I'll take the screaming as a good sign.
Oh, I've
Researching.
Give me the lowdown. Give me the lowdown. Quick time.
Waiting on you.
Time to raise hell.
It's no use. Forget this. I'm running for it.
Construction complete.
Give me the lowdown. Why wait?
In a graveyard spin!
Research complete.
Medtech on site. Where? Oh, got it. Where's the action? Heading there now. Oh, I've been ready.
Not enough luminite.
Where am I needed? Make it quick.
Axo reporting.
What can I do for you? Make it quick. Making a beeline.
Ground pounders here.
Not
Finding
enough
that.
luminite.
Give me the lowdown.
Awaiting further instructions. Still here.
Make it quick. Quick.
Allies are under attack.
Taking them down. Got a plan? Time to pen. Let's get to it.
Axo reporting.
Allies are under attack.
Oh, I've been ready. Give me the lowdown. Let's end this. Got a plan?
Sustain too much damage! We're falling back!
Service. Ground pounders here. Axo reporting. Sure.
Our forces are under attack.
Give me the lowdown. Where am I needed?
Quitting. Child.
I am gonna curb stomp every last one of you. I'm not taking any more prisoners. Everybody dies.
That is one angry commander.
Time to take on that max security facility.
Pretty sure we've had run-ins with this Major Guard before. Real piece of work.
As we feared, Commander, Infernal forces inbound from the mainland.
You want a party? Fine by me. Put on your dancing shoes.
As we feared, Commander, Infernal forces inbound from the mainland.
We want to join the fight.
Now I'm gonna show you why I'm the big dog.
I'll move. Taking them down. Their history. Finding a path.
Well, look who's feeling lucky. You got nothing on me. You idiots are fighting a war that's already over. You're dead. You just don't know it yet.
Whoa, resistance, right? Man, am I glad to see you. I was starting to think the worst, you know? I'm Suyin.
You're the high-value target?
I guess. Because of that thing I, found.
The blade?
You know about that?
What exactly is it?
An ancient weapon. A fragment.
1 of 5.
You've touched it, haven't you?
Commander! Infernal's 2 clicks out.
Time to go. You're with us.
Hey, I'm just a simple treasure hunter, okay? I don't really know the first thing about infernals or aliens or...
I'm not asking. Move.
Oh. Okay.
Saved!
Skedaddle! Go!
Oh, thank you so much!
Go!
Always outnumbered, always outmatched.
Sweetie, I can't talk right now.
Dad, the voice in my room keeps saying evacuate.
Just stay put. I'll get there as soon as I can.
Can I come to you?
No. I don't know what's...
Where is Major Galt?
He fled, sir. Oh. No! No!
Humans. Such a disappointment. Wars. You defile our tongue with your mongrel mouth.
The Domina demands a report.
Then I shall deliver it directly. I am ever at her service.
And yet, she sends me. Your communication has been infrequent.
Tell the Lady Gorgana the humans are being corralled. All is going according to plan.
Further delays would be ill-advised.
Anything else?
The Resistance took the woman who found the blade. Good?
If they took the girl, then all we need do is follow. They will lead us to the remaining blades, and the glory of their discovery will be mine alone. Wars will be diminished, and the humans will finally know their place.